Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. I'm just going to make a short video today to introduce my CBR1000F. This is going to be an ongoing project which will allow me to demonstrate many different maintenance jobs. You will be able to see the bike progress from what you see today into a working, legal and safe motorbike. It will be a lengthy process of stripping down, cleaning, replacing and rebuilding. Let me show you around the bike. Wish me luck and remember to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications when there is more from Biker Stuff.